Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. This video is going to be about the Southwest Companion Pass because the co-branded Southwest cards by Chase are now offering the Companion Pass as part of their sign-up bonus. And the Companion Pass is considered by a lot of people to be the best travel perk that's offered by any credit card or any loyalty program. So the Companion Pass, what it does is once you have it, it allows you to book a ticket with a designated loved one, a friend or a loved one, for free. And they're able to travel with you on that flight, and it can either be booked on with money or on points. Now, as long as there's seats available, your designated companion will be able to fly that flight with you. Now, usually to earn the Companion Pass, you need to take up 100 qualifying flights in a calendar year or earn 135,000 qualifying points. And the qualifying points are the points that you earn from taking Southwest flights. But what's really cool is that it also counts the spending that you put on the co-branded cards, including the sign-up bonuses. So with the sign-up bonus and all the spending you put on your card, it makes it much easier to earn this Companion Pass. Now, you can't just have somebody different fly with you every single flight. You do have to designate them in your account. And you can change your companion 3 times a year. But it doesn't actually have to be a wife or a husband. It can be a friend or a relative or whoever you want. But they do need to, you do need to enter their name into your account as the designated companion. And then they also can't fly by themselves. They have to take the flight with you. And this Companion Pass, it usually lasts for the entire year that you earn it, plus the full calendar year after that. So right now is February 2023. And if we earned this Companion Pass right now, we'd get it for all of 2023, and it would expire in December of 2024. And Chase just made it easier to get the Companion Pass by adding it as part of the sign-up bonus on their co-branded credit cards. Altogether, there are 5 Southwest cards. 3 of them are personal and 2 of them are business. And the sign-up bonus has been added to the 3 personal cards. Now, usually the sign-up bonus on the Southwest cards, 50, maybe 60,000 points. But what they did is they reduced the sign-up bonus to 30,000 points, but they added the Companion Pass after spending $4,000 in 3 months. But there is a little drawback in that this Companion Pass is not valid for as long as the traditional way that you earn it. With the sign-up bonus Companion Pass, it's only valid until February 28th of 2024. So that's about a year from filming this video. We're probably not expecting the sign-up bonus to last a full year. It's probably only going to last a couple months. So we could probably get, at the least, maybe 9 months of value out of this Companion Pass. Now, if you fly Southwest, sooner you get this card, the better. But you do have to be aware that you can only have one Southwest card. And if you recently got one already, then you're not eligible for the sign-up bonus or the card at all. So you're not eligible if you have a card, and you're not eligible if you've got the sign-up bonus in the past 24 months. So as long as you've not got a card in the past 2 years and you don't have one now, you should be eligible for it. So the sign-up bonus is pretty cool because you do get the Companion Pass really easily, but it doesn't last as long as if you went about it the old way of taking all the flights or putting your money on the flights or spending on your card. If you played it right and put all your spending and took all your flights in the beginning of the year, you could earn the Companion Pass for a lot longer, maybe 11 months of this year and then the full 12 months of the next year. The offer is available on all 3 of the personal cards, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus, the Premier, and the Priority. And here's a little breakdown of the different benefits they offer in that We have the Plus card, which is a $69 annual fee card. The Premier, $99 annual fee, and the Priority is $149. You're going to get some anniversary points with each card, and that's 3,000 for the Plus, up to 7,500 for the Priority. Multipliers are about 2 points per dollar spent on car rentals, commuting, internet, phone, and cable, except for the Premier and Priority that offer 3 points. Airline cards aren't really known for having great multipliers. Then you're going to get 25% back on in-flight purchases on all 3 cards, 2 early bird check-ins per year on the first 2 cards, and then on the Priority you get a $75 annual Southwest travel credit for upgraded boardings per year. And the Premier and the Priority are going to give you both 1,500 tier qualifying points for every $10,000 that you spend on the card in a year. And the Plus is the only one with a foreign transaction fee. Some people really love Southwest. Personally, I've never flown it. It's really easy to see how this companion pass can come in handy. Even if you only fly a couple times a year, that's a free ticket with your friend or loved one or relative. And if you fly more than that, you just get more and more value out of it. Always flying with your husband or wife, or flying with a relative, loved one, whatever it is. You're just taking a flight. Usually you pay for 2 tickets, but you have to pay for 1, and that counts for cash and points. So it's a really great deal. The Companion isn't going to help you earn any more status or earn any tier qualifying points, but still, it's a really great value if you do fly with Southwest, even a couple times a year. And Southwest is a transfer partner of Chase with a Chase Trifecta, where you can earn points on the Freedom Flex, Freedom Unlimited, and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Transfer those over to Southwest. And when people talk about this being one of the best travel perks of any program out there, love to hear your opinion on it. Do you think there is a better travel perk by any hotel or airline program? Go ahead and leave that in the comments down below. Love to hear from you. If you're still watching, really appreciate thumbs up. Really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. I want you to go have a good day, all right? Justin out.